What are the adverse effects of statins? What's better than statins? Millions of people rely on statins like atorvastatin, simvastatin, and rosuvastatin every day to protect their hearts from adverse effects of raised LDL cholesterol. Well, it helps in cholesterol management and effectively reduces plaque from the arteries. They may also reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular events. But do you know what a regular dose of statins may also cause some mild to severe side effects? Yes, it's true. Statins have some severe side effects that you don't know. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss the potential side effects of statins that you might experience if you are taking regular statin medications. I will also discuss a safe and effective treatment option for you to tackle your heart problems better. It's better than your conventional cardiac medicines. See, side effects of statins may vary according to the age of the patients. Younger adults may be more prone to physical side effects, whereas older adults may be more susceptible to cognitive side effects. Again, they vary with different age groups. Now, let's talk about some common side effects that you may experience initially. One of the common side effects of taking statins regularly is muscular pain and weakness. You might feel sore, tired, or weak, especially in thighs, shoulders, or arms. Statins can also cause gastric issues like nausea, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. However, the good thing is that these usually improve as your body gets used to the medication. Taking statins regularly may also cause sleep problem or insomnia. Some people report trouble sleeping or vivid dreams. Some people, especially older adults of age above 50 years or more, may also experience mild cognitive issues. However, these symptoms are temporary and can be reversed once you stop taking medications. Patients on statins may sometimes also experience headaches or dizziness. Well, these are some general side effects that may affect anyone who is being on statins. Now, let's move on to the severe side effects of statins that may be fatal sometimes. The very serious type of side effect is rhabdomyolysis. It is a form of muscle breakdown and affects 1 in every 10,000 people. So it means it is a very rare condition, but it may develop in people taking statins. It can lead to kidney damage and even life-threatening complications. Taking statins regularly may also raise liver enzymes level, but again, this affects only a small number of people. Over time, it may lead to liver damage and symptoms like yellowing of skin, eyes, dark urine, and fatigue may develop. Statin can also increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Well, I want to discuss a study published in The Lancet that suggests that taking statins can help reduce cholesterol but increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, especially in people who are at high risk of diabetes or have pre-diabetic symptoms. Well, these are some side effects that are backed by some studies. And one more thing, statins are not a permanent solution for raised cholesterol and arterial plaques. However, there is another treatment option as well. Yes, Bharat Homeopathic medicine are safe, effective and holistic approaches to the treatment of cardiac diseases, high LDL and artery blockages. Unlike statin medicines and cardiac medicines like anticoagulants, ACE inhibitors, beta blockers and diuretics, Bharat Homeopathic medicines are prepared from natural substance and have no side effects. Yes, you heard it right. You are absolutely safe and bring results in the shortest possible time. Plus, one good thing about Bharat Homeopathic medicines is that they are given in small globules dipped in potentized alcohol medicines that target the root cause of the disease. One more good thing is that they can be prescribed to the people of any age, depending on their constitution, their physical and psychological symptoms. So, if you are someone who is troubled with taking statins daily, then Bharat Homeopathy is a hope of treatment, as we have treated thousands of cardiac patients worldwide, and now they are leading a completely healthy life. I hope you found my video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more interesting health related videos. Thanks.